Good morning. I'm Miss Hayes. I'm your child science teacher, and I wanted to quickly show you exactly what I've been posting for your child to do in case you didn't follow. So when your child logs on, they can go many places, but they need to go to Classroom. So let me open up Classroom. Okay, they should have a classroom for all their teachers. And then if they open Science, these are the posts that I've been making. So like this was Monday's post. So it says, notice some of your kids might be saying, well, there's nothing due. But if they open up the post, so this says they have a video and slides explaining the lab for today and how to answer the questions in Amplify. So here, let me actually open this first. So this is the agenda that we've been working on. So here it shows like what the first week was. So they had 2 days to get a pre-test done. Then it tells them what they need to do in Amplify. And then this is this week, what we're working on. Okay. So then to explain exactly what I want, I have slides here. And then most importantly, though, is the video. Let me see if I can play it with that.
One.
Okay, hi you guys, it's Miss Hayes, trying another video. Hopefully I can upload it correctly this time. So Monday, 3/23, so day this should go live. So first of all, pre-test results.
So if you can see, that is the video that they had access to. And what it did is I went through step by step the lab and showed them over here, like me doing the parts. And then it tells them where they need to answer in Amplify. So I'm going to show you how to get to Amplify. So your child has, and it should automatically log on if they have a school Chromebook, but if they're in Google, they can press this little C up here. That's Clever. And then a whole bunch of things come up. So Amplify is this orange one. I have it in my favorites, but they might have it down here. So when they click Amplify, it takes a minute to load. So this is where all of our science work is. So this is like the home screen. The unit we're doing is light waves. And on all of my stuff, what you'll see in Aries 2, it says Amplify 1.3 part 1 or 1.2 part 3. So Monday's work, they were supposed to do chapter 1. So that's 1.2 part 3. And then even a little bit more directions, I tell them so they need to answer the questions on page 2 and 3. So see the video and slides for the demonstration, answer the questions. So here was the first demo that I did. Here's a picture of where they're answering the questions. Here's some additional videos just in case they wanted to see more. So if I go to part 3, this is what the kids see. So this was page 1. They had nothing to do. Page 2, and there was questions. Since I shined the flashlight on the crystal sheet, they don't have that. So I did it for them. I showed them a video. They should have picked yes, it did change colors, and then they just needed to explain. And then they need to do that for another object. And then they had to do page 3, which was me shining a light on the thermometers. Again, I had this to show them what the temperature was before and what it is after. They answer the questions there. And then I did then go over a couple little key concepts, gave them some ideas to try this at home if they wanted. And then they need to go on to part 4. and answer the questions with their honest thoughts. So again, part 3, they didn't have to do anything on page 4, so they press hand in right here, and then they go on to part 4. And this one was just like agree, disagree is all they had to do in these boxes. And then down here, pick one that they were confident about and explain. And that was their assignment for Monday. So I think the video was like 6 minutes, go through the slides, look at the stuff, answer the few questions. So I'm not going to do all the assignments with you, but I just kind of wanted to show you the basic layout. So that's what I've done each day. Okay. So the big thing is make sure they're logging in, even if they don't see there is now something due by tomorrow because it is a Google assignment for today. So it's right here. So they had slides for today. They had a video again. They can either do the notes today written by hand and send me a picture, or they can fill it in on this document and then they handed it in classroom. Okay. I hope this helps. I know it's in English, but just wanted to show you where the kids are going. Thank you.